Okay guys, thanks again for coming to Boom in the Sky. It is New Year's Eve. I've got a Boom in the Sky t-shirt on. I'm so excited. You can check them out if you want one. I've got about 30 or so designs about all sorts of different pyro shirts. pyro-tees.com. Check it out and get one for yourself. Anyway, back to, here we go guys. This is the fireworks show. I still have some stuff to do, but while the sun is still out, I wanted to give you guys a quick look at everything. We're gonna start over here. As always, the pallets 1 and 3 are mirrored, and 4 and 6 are mirrored. So this is pallet number 3. So we've got some stuff from Mega Banger. We've got a lot of stuff from Dominator and Dominator Pro. So I'll take you guys through it. We've got Troublemaker from Mega Banger. We've got the silver Crackling Crossettes 12 shots, Nishiki Crown Kimuro, Dominator Pro. We've got Donut King. I'm excited for that one. That's from Shogun. We've got the Nishiki Thunder. We've got another of those Crossette cakes. We've got Crackle Tail to Popcorn Crackle 49 shots. I believe I used that one in July 4th. We've got the 49 shot Nishiki Fan, also from Dominator Pro. So that one's gonna go off, and like I said, that one's gonna go off over there. We've got pallet number 2. We're gonna start down here with Revenge from Red Lantern. I believe I got this from one of the stores in Florida. And we've got All That Glitters from Dominator. We've got a special cake here on fire. We've got the Nishiki Pro Line 76 Kamuro 9 shot, 9 on a board. And we've got Varigated Peony 49 shots. That one's going to be a great cake as well. We're going to move up here to pallets 4 and 6. So we've got Black Magic from 4 Season Fireworks. I've got 2 of those here. We've got the Waterfall Color Falling Leaves. That one's a new one for me. Dominator Pro. We've got the 36 shot mixed effects. We have both A and B. We have 2 of the B's and 1 of the A. We've got these fun cakes here. I've done these on my channel before. We've got another Black Magic. We got the Howling Peonies, and we're gonna close the show this year. I don't have any of the 25 shot instant crackle that I usually do, but we have 4 of this one. This one is Wizard Fireworks 1.4 Pro, 36 shot straight whistling to crackling. So there's 4 of those, 1 here, 2 over here, and then 1 over there. So, and then last, the center, we have this big boy here, Nuclear Blast, and we have 100 shot red, white, and blue tails to Titanium Report. So there you go. I'm shooting with the Cobra modules. I've got 18Ms here, here, here. I've got another, the newest one is over there. I just got the silicone case. Got another one here, and then I'm going to use this one for the 6S for this pallet. I'll move all this stuff. I'm probably going to angle these out depending on what they're doing. I'm going to have some slice cakes or slices over here, and I'm going to have some mortar racks. I have to go set those up. We've got the slices here, but so we've got red mines, we've got Tourbillion Fans, we've got lemon go-getters somewhere in here. There's a green strobe mine. There's a fan sweep with time rain. There it is. There's a lemon go-getters. So I gotta set those up. But anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick pan of everything going on. I know I didn't get to do that in for the 4th of July, but anyway, that is gonna be the show. I'm gonna go finish setting up here. It's beautiful weather. It's gonna get a little chilly tonight, but anyway, we're gonna go finish setting up here. So it's about, I don't know, 5 o'clock or something. Let's see, what time is it? 4:30. So it's 4:30. It's 4:30. I'm gonna shoot the show at like 9, and then I've got another little mini show to shoot. I've got another one of those 100 shot salute cakes from Dominator Pro. So I'm gonna shoot one of those. I'll shoot probably 1 or 2 racks of mortars. But other than that, that's the show, guys. While I have you guys, and before the show, I am just shy of 2,000 subscribers. I need your help, guys. If you can help me get there. When I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway
for a mortar rack from Great Lakes Mortar Racks. I actually won one and I never took it, so my buddy Chris over there has agreed to send that to the winner, whoever that happens to be. But I gotta hit 2,000 subscribers first. So anyway, thanks again for joining. After this, we will have the show. Beautiful day here in southern Florida. I'm wearing shorts and short sleeves. It is beautiful. It's gonna get a little bit colder here, but anyway, that is the show. Let's go.
Happy 2024, guys. Okay, guys. Here it is, the last show. Woo! In 5, 4,